everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Queendom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang latest PROD ng The Divas of the Queendom. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Tingnan nga natin. Someone's always saying goodbye. Ano kayang nila ngayon? Ay, mapansin pala.
Na ikaw na lang ang naiwang nagmamahal. Makaramdam ng pag-ibig na hinding-hindi magiging sayo.
At mapanakit pala sila for today's video.
Panaginip na lang. Ang hindi mo kayang sabihin, sabay-sabay nating kantahin. Kasama ang Divas of Queendom.
Sana medley naman yung kakantahin nila.
Na kumanta ng ilan sa mga paborito mong hugot songs.
Sino? Rachel Alejandro?
Ella May Saison.
Ella May Saison? Hindi ako familiar kay Ella May Saison. Ay, wait lang. The setup, it really reminds me of the previous Queendom. Yung may mga ganito sila. May mga pa-platform sila, right? Ay, if the feeling is gone, akala ko si Kyla ang kumanta nito. Grabe talaga ang range ng boses ni Julie. Masakit naman. Sino yung isa? May isa pa. Si Julie pala yun. Akala ko si Hannah. Bongga naman. Akala ko talaga si Kyla ang kumanta ng If the Feeling is Gone. And why can't it be?
Unexpectedly, I was doing fine in my little world.
Bakit ba yung atake ni Hannah ngayon?
That's the only place I know.
Uy, ang ganda ni Jessica. Uy, hindi ko nakilala si Jessica. Ay, grabe si Han. Emotion. Wow. Grabe yung emotion ni Hannah. Oh, grabe. Ay, grabe, Hannah and Jessica. Grabe. Grabe naman yun, Jessica. Ay, standing ovation, oh. Standing ovation sila sa likod, oh. Grabe naman yun. Ang gwapo ng sa likod. Si Sean Lucas yan, oh. Ay, oo, si Sean Lucas. Iba din pala yung si Dylan yung sa kulite yan. Ay, ay grabe. Si Rita and ay grabe. Yung mga kasamahan nila, yung sa standing ovation, grabe din, ha? When my heartache ends.
I recall when you said that you would never leave me. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone, and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have just keep on
Ay,
dreaming till my heart aches there.
yung ba talaga yun?
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life
Yan, Jessica?
in the artist dream of you.
Wow!
Into my dream, come and touch me once again. Just keep on dreaming, till my heart aches there. Keep on dreaming till my heart.
Bongga yung harmonization nila sa huli. Ganda ni Jessica. Oh my God, parang silang nagko-concert talaga, no? Ba't si Jaya? Hmm? Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, the latest prod of the Divas of the Queendom. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!